Hi everyone. So I was truly excited to finally be premiering the Linstead Market feature. Yes, the Linstead Market documentary. And yes, what better time to do it than in Black History Month. So yes, carry me Ackee go Linstead Market. You will see many interviews, many walkthroughs, and so much more. You will see a lot of food and vendors and people. Yeah, man. So check us out. We'll be right here on Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry. February 23, the last Monday, February 23, right here. We're premiering at 3 p.m. Jamaica time. Carry me Ackee go Linstead Market, not a quaddy would sell. Carry me Ackee go Linstead Market, not a quaddy would sell. Lord, what a night, what a bite, what a Saturday night. Lord, what a night, what a bite, what a Saturday night. We talk about Ackee and carry Ackee go Linstead Market. No, them are Ackee. Ackee done for me. Yes, Jamaican people in a Linstead Market. Ackee done for me.
This is a true history about Linstead Market. They said that this girl come to market to sell Ackee.
Yeah, man, we have premiered this video, Linstead Market documentary, premiering right here, the 23rd of February, 3 p.m. Jamaican time. So wherever in the world you are, just check it out and see what is 3 p.m. in your time zone. Alright? And share it to your family and your friends. And yeah, man, let us big up our Jamaican culture. And yeah, we're there.
Bride and priest, your feet can't miss.
Alright. And these are what kind of things?
It's all about Monday, so just check it out, just eat and give it a like and views and everything.